Today, on this edition of my channel, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use, set up, and operate Bluetooth audio to a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Coming right up next, here on The Michael Carter Show. Alright, y'all, before I get into today's video, as y'all clearly can see right there, like I told y'all in my last video, that these YouTube chat bots just keep popping up in everybody's comment section. So the last one that I made a video on about them, that popped up right below it of that video. So you just block them. And I also made a post of it on my IG, which is at Video King 88, saying, be aware of these things. They just always just a nuisance. You see, this is on the YouTube Creator Studios, but they've already been removed by one of my mods. I know I removed them myself as a host. Both hosts and moderators can remove such spam. This is spam right here, as I see it. I got likely spam messages from other people, but they're not chat bots. But that's just a whole other story as far as what they mean by spamming on YouTube and what have you. But I'm just, like I said again, just speaking on these chat bots that just keep popping up and changing the name. So, but yeah, that's just, again, another example. Good day, everyone. How y'all doing? Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, as always. So, another message I want to put out again before I get into today's video. Today is Monday, June 1st. As of 1 week, I wouldn't want to call it an anniversary, but 1 week of the passing of this brother by the name of George Floyd. I'm not gonna get into the rest. Everybody has seen it, but I mean, as far as my take on it, and that how I'm safe and alive and well over the weekend, Saturday night. Excuse me. Saturday night of we doing a ride with Uber, dropping some passengers off. I did the live feed on it. I just post all that, just be posted down in the description box. I just hate having, for people to say when this stuff goes on, it takes place, that, just trying to go back to our normal daily routine, as of the saying, go back to what we were doing. As if, like, to forget about all this. We can't. There's no way we can forget about, all this stuff that just keeps happening, It just keeps happening, So, excuse me. So, this video I'm doing, as I said in the intro, is how to set the Bluetooth audio for your phone here in the 2012 Hyundai Sonata. This isn't a request, but I was asked this question in a video of that sort that I've done last fall from a content creator, when I did a video on how to reset the car radio on a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. But then I got asked the question by a content creator after I premiered that video on how to how does the Bluetooth audio system work? And I just kindly answered her by saying, I don't know, just having to, YouTube anybody else's videos as of the past however long that those videos are old and not new. So I figured, well, here I am now. It's like, well, I'll do one that's now new, recent, and up to date. So this will be posted as of for Tuesday. Tomorrow going into today. It's Monday right now, but like I said, yeah. So let's get right to it. This will be a super quick video. So this will be done from my phone. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, this is the screen. I got my auxiliary cable hooked up for my music, like I had in that particular video of setting up the car audio, or to reset the car audio for the radio. So you want to go to setup and go to phone. Just press 3, or you can use this dial to turn. It's 3. And then you want to go to repair phone. Just use the dial because there's no numbers for it. Let's see, phone list. Hit enter, you push it in. And then it's gonna excuse me. It's gonna give you this option. Wait, cancel, read that again. Add from your Bluetooth device. Hit OK or 1. Phone pair device. Phone pair phone device. Sonata. Passkey 000. Well, it was a different one back then when I first set it up from watching somebody else's video back then. So shout out to that person or content creator or creators in the past that have done these type of tutorials. But you see that's the passkey. So let me pull up my phone. Give me a second. No, I was just getting these other notifications coming in, so you go to Bluetooth. Now I took it out so I can start from scratch to show y'all, but you pair new device. This is a Boost phone I have, Moto G6 Play, from Android. Had this phone for like almost 2 years now after I was last trucking. During that time I had been trucking, but that's how long I had the phone. Available devices is still loading. It didn't take this long as the last time, or it was like super quick or something. Like I said, again, this was last fall when I had it set up and left it alone. Since then, let me pause this. Okay, I'm back, y'all. I realized excuse me, I realized that previous, you gotta go to, well, because I had already set it up back then, but then I set up as default. But you go to previous, I gotta go to previous connected devices, because like I said, I already connected it. But if you're doing it from scratch, then yeah, you would have to pair a new device. But in this case, previous connected, you see right there at the top, Sonata, and these are other two down at the bottom, both Quiet Comfort 35. Hold on. Let's see. But yeah, if you just, but it would kind of, I guess, look like this for pair new device. Hold on, let me try this. Forget. It went on forget device. Now let's try it from scratch. Okay. So I took it out of my phone to go to pair a new device for it to pop up like this originally. Again, you know, if you're using it for the first time, this is how it looked like. Now you click on it and then you pair it. Like I said, that's the pass key this time for it. It says usually 000 or 1234. Last time it was 1234. Pin contains letters or symbols. You may also need to type this pin on other device to allow access to. Okay, but you just type that pin in 000 0000 4 zeros, and then you hit OK. Pairing. Airport's phone. Okay, well, it's paired up now. So set this down. So then you go to, now you see right there, that's the Bluetooth. So you go to media. Like I said, I already have my auxiliary cable plugged up in here, which is receiver Sonic down there. Auxiliary iPad, USB ports of chargers, and here's the cord of my fingers. Go to media, and there it is. BT, that stands for Bluetooth audio. Moto G6 play from the phone. Chapstick, but Moto G6 play, push tune to play and pause. You can adjust the audio for it. I already have it up loud because, like I said, when I last was using it, I think sometime last week. So you see right there, Bluetooth. So this is for phone calls and for regular audio, music, YouTube sound, whatever. Like even with these buttons or the call buttons, you know, kind of like, well, that's all the stuff to call, but this is all for the Bluetooth. So, which I'll never use, but the Bluetooth audio speaker is there, right there. I'm trying to motion this, have it right there. That's the speaker. So let me just real quick. Let's see what my gigs are. What come out of that. It's just an example. And again, you see the Bluetooth logo icon right there at the top next to LTE. Here's my last video, and turn it down. Talking here. PSA alert. Okay, but yeah, you can hear the audio from it. So get it out of that. See, he's making a quick phone call. I don't know, just I don't know, just call reboost or call balance. Like I said, it's just a test. It's just testing. I already done it, like I said, outside of.
Welcome to Boost Mobile. Para Español, marque 5. Boost Mobile may collect identifying information about you to respond to your request. For more information, go to boostmobile.com
See Sonata right there.
/privacy/CCPA.
Just took it off. That's the speaker from the phone. That's just the phone. Back to Sonata. So you see, it is clear.
You are currently at milestone level.
Perfect. All of that. So that's it on this. It was a little longer than expected tutorial walkthrough on 2012 Hyundai Sonata, how to set up the Bluetooth audio. Set it back to auxiliary for regular music. That's CD. If I plug this back out, yeah, CD again. Oh, then the radio. That's the radio, but you have to hit that button. The media, see, is this. So, real quick. So my phone is still it's still installed into Bluetooth. You turn that off, that goes away. Turn it back on with my phone. Pops back in, but again, do that. Hold on. So it says it's connecting, and then it just, yeah. So that's it. Now plug this back in. Excellent. All right, so there you have it. From my channel to your channel. Salute. Gulfstream Entertainment, Michael Carter Studios and Production.